We'll simplify this problem. So in this question, it's been given f of ABCD summation m of 1, 3, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So in all these locations, you're supposed to write the values 1 into the cell. So in location of 1, 3, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So once you place 1 in all these locations, what is the first important thing? So only possibility that you need to look into the first and maximum number of ones. And also you know only group of 2, 4, 8, like that you can do it, right? So if I go with this one, so what is the possibility I have? I can group with this pair or with this pair. But since it is having an quad, I'll go with this quad instead of a pair. So I can make this. For this one, this is the only possibility. So I can make this into a pair. Sorry, into a quad. So when you're making all 8, then you call that as an octet. It's not mandated that from where you need to start. You can just start with only options. So when I make this group, so it's very important. It's been given the lowercase letters. It has to be written with the lowercase letters only. I think here it's been given with the capital letter C. You just correct this to lowercase c. So the constant which retains here is AB. So here everything is changing. So I'll get only AB with this group. Now, if I go with this one, I can make these two as an overlapping, by folding into pair, or I can make these two into one group. I can choose any one. So since it is two options, I don't do it right now. Then I look into this one. What is the best option here? I can make these 4 into one group. That is the best option I have. So I'll make, this is the only option also. So I'll make these 4 into one group. So I'll get, what is the result I'll be getting here is B constant. So B. Then next out of this, C constant. So C, BC. Then next, if I look into this one, the only option I have here is with the pair. I don't have any option for the quad. So I'll make these two into one group. So with this group, what is retain constant here? A retains constant because it is unaltered. Then out of this, C D bar, both retains constant in this cell. So C D bar. Next, these two left out and this also left out. So for this, I have two options. I can do this pair or I can do this pair. You can do any of that, both are correct. So I'll do it this. So if I do this, what the result I'll be getting here is A bar. So here I'll be getting A bar. Then CD. I can get this answer, or else what I can get, if I make these two group, then A bar, B bar. Out of this, D retains constant here. So D. Either I can get this answer or this. Anything is fine. Next, in order to do this grouping, it's already been done with this. So this has been done. Either this or this, any one, you are going to cover it. But what about this one? It's pending. So if this pending, either you can group with this or you can group with overlap. So for this also you'll be getting two options. I think we would have done like this only. That would be better. It's okay. I'll do it with this. So if it is overlapping like this, then what is the result we are going to get here? B bar. Then your C bar D. Or else. So if I make these two into group, so I'll be getting your A, C bar D. I hope this is clear. Any doubts in this? So you write three solutions for this problem. AB plus BC plus AC D bar plus A bar CD plus B bar C bar D, one solution. Second solution, AB plus BC plus ACD bar plus A bar B bar D plus B bar C bar D, or AB plus BC plus ACD bar plus A bar B bar D plus AC bar D. Write all these three solutions. For this problem, you have three solutions. So in the place of 0, we put 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, and 13. Now we need to do the grouping now. If I go with this one, what is the possibility now? All four quads. That is the only possibility for this one. If I go with this, I have two possibilities, this pair or this pair. If I go with this, only one possibility, all four in one group. So I'll first make this group. So this group, the result will be A bar, C bar. Sorry, C. A bar C, then plus. So if I go with this one, that is the only possibility, all four corners. So I'll make all these four corners into one group. So the result is B bar. Then here it is D bar. So B bar, D bar. Now this one, I have two possibility, but for this one, this is the only possibility, and this will be the best one. So I will make this group. So the result is AB and C bar. So the result will be AB, C bar. This is the solution for this problem. Is there any doubt? So in this question, it's been given the values here 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In these locations, it is 1. So 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So far what we have done is grouping of 2, grouping of 3, sorry 4, like that we have done. Even isolated one also we have done. Now in this option, so all these 8, I can put it in one group very easily. So this will be the best possible. So this called as octates. So when you are making 4, then we call that as a quad. 2, it's a pair. 8, it is an octet. When I make all these 8 in one group, what is the result here is A. So single variable. So you might have observed that also. When it is individual, all 4 variables. When it is pair, 3 variables. When it is quad, 2 variables. When it is octet, single variable. Now this one, I can't make 3 in one group, only pairs. So I can make these 2 in one group. The result will be B, then your CD bar. So solution looks very simple, and this has been asked in one of the exam. Now it will be asked to write the circuit for this using NAND gates. How we are going to do it? How many NAND gates you require it? Can anybody answer to this? So what we have written the solution for that, this expression we got, we have written using a NAND gates, only NAND gates. And now in few systems, some sort of inputs will never occur. So when some sort of input can never occur in the system, so what we are going to predict as an output? Then we can't predict anything. When that input itself will never occur, then that system will result as in don't cares. So sometimes what happen along with this question, so there will be additional terms given that as in don't care terms. So the don't care terms will be written as summation D, or sometimes just D, and what are all the don't care terms will be provided here. So in this problem, I'll just write it, don't care is in place of 2, 3, and 7. I've just written randomly. So if these are the don't care, suppose, then how I'm going to write that? I'll just write D, or else I can write it as an X, anything. It's up to you. Better we'll write X only. So because here we used D in order to write the terms. So here in the representation of the K-map, I'll write it as X. These locations are written as an X. Then when I'm grouping it, so what is the meaning of the don't care means I'm not bothered what is the output of that. So if the system can, this result can be 0 or can be 1. So whenever I'm using this in order to make a maximum number of ones into a group, then I'll consider this as an 1 and I'll group it. When I don't require it, I'll just neglect it. We will just add one more term here, 0 also. So then it will be more clear. 0, 2, 3, 7. So I'll have a don't care here also. So then I make it this all 8 in one group. So I'll just erase this part. So now this one is essential. We'll never bother about don't care. So only this one is essential. In order to make this grouping, so I'll make all these 8 in one group. So there it covers maximum number of ones. So the result what I'll be getting here is, we'll erase this also. So what is the result for this? C. So A plus C is the result for this. I'll not be considering this X because this is not necessary for me. So I just neglect that. That is how we are going to do it. So even this type of problem will be given in the exam and will be asked to realize in a NAND. So in the NAND, you can't just write only one NAND. So if it has been asked to realize with a NAND, then A has to be passed into an inverter. The output of that inverter should connect to one more NAND gate. So this is all of you write down this also. So this is A. Take down this as a second question. So this is for C. This is how it works with slides. Yeah. So this only 4, 5, 6 in place of that you need to write 1, 4, 5 and 6. It's 1. 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's a don't care. 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is don't care. So in order to make this one group, so I can use this 4, 1 in one group. So I make this group. So the result out of this is B. So in order to make this one group, I can have a pair, or if by folding the map, I can have a quad. So I fold the map into half. So these two along with these two, so it's in one group. The result here is B, D bar. That's what we got it for this problem. So, but we are not focusing on these don't cares because this is not required for us. Is that clear? With this, I'll wind up today's session. Thank you.